Ever want to carry a bit of sunshine and those cozy jellycat vibes wherever you go? Today, we are making this adorable sunflower keychain. It's chubby and is 100% beginner friendly. If you can make a circle, you can make this. Let's get stitching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chow, and I share easy crochet ideas for beginners and handmade gifts. If you enjoy crochet keychain and beginner-friendly projects, consider subscribing. It really helps support my channel. For this project, we will need 4 pi mil cotton yarn, 2.5 mm hook, stitch markers, needles, scissors, stuffing, glue, eyes, sewing thread, and a keychain. Let's start with the heart of our sunflower. You will need to make 2 of these, one in orange for the front and one in green for the back. Now, let's make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around the finger, forming an X. Then insert your hook, pull the yarn to the front and twist it. Then yarn over and pull it through the loop. And now you make a magic ring. Let's start round 1. We will make 6 single crochets into the magic ring. Insert your hook into the center, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn through both. That's 1. Now we make 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you're finished making 6 single crochets, pull the tail to close the ring, and then continue the second round. For second round, we will making an increased stitch in every stitch. Now, insert your hook in the first single crochet of the first round, and make the first single crochet of round 2. Put a stitch marker on this one because it is the first stitch of the second round. We will make the second single crochet in the same stitch. So, insert your hook in the same stitch and make the second single crochet. Now, I made 2 single crochets in one stitch, and that is called an increased stitch. So, to complete round 2, you will have to make increased stitches for 6 times. Continue this until you reach the stitch marker, and you will get a total of 12 single crochets. Now, I finished making 12 single crochets, so let's start round 3. For round 3, we will repeat the pattern of 1 single crochet and then an increased stitch in the next stitch. Now, I made the first single crochet of round 3, then put a stitch marker. Then, after that, make an increased stitch in the second stitch. So, in this second stitch, make 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Then, you will have to repeat this pattern again. So, make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then an increased stitch in the next stitch, 1 and 2. And to complete round 3, you will have to repeat these for a total of 6 times. And you will get a total of 18 single crochets. Now, let's continue round 4. For round 4, we will making 2 single crochets, and then an increased stitch in the third stitch. For these 2 single crochet, we will be making 1 single crochet each in the next 2 stitches. So here I make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and I will make the second single crochet in the second stitch. Then after that, make an increased stitch in this third stitch. So 1/4 basically means that you have to make an increased stitch in every third stitch. So repeat this pattern again. For complete round 4, please repeat this pattern for 6 times and you will get a total of 24 single crochets. For the pattern of round 5, we will be making an increased stitches in every full stitch. So, reach the full stitch, we will have to make 1 single crochet each in the first 3 stitches. Now, I made the first single crochet, then I will make the second one in the second stitch. Then the third one in the third stitch. Now, I finished 3 single crochets. It's time to make the increased stitch. So, in this 4th stitch, make 2 single crochets. To repeat round 5, I will have to repeat this for 5 more times. After 6 repeats, you will have 30 stitches. Cut the yarn, leave a short tail and pull it through. Now, let's look at our work. This smooth side is the right side, but if we flip it over, look at this beautiful bumpy texture on the wrong side. Because we work in a spiral, these pumps look like a perfect natural sunflower head. We are going to use this bumpy side as the front of our keychain. So, hide the yarn at the back, the same as the green color one. Now, let's bring this flower to life. Place your orange and green pieces back to back. Insert your hook through the first stitch of the orange piece and the corresponding stitch of the green piece. Yarn over, pull through 2 pieces and make chain 1. In the next stitch, make a single crochet. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You will have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's your 3rd single crochet joint. Continue this around the edge. When you have about 5 stitches left, then stop. Take a bit of fiber feel and stuff the center, not too much, just enough to make it look cute and 3D. Then, single crochet the remaining 5 stitches to close. You should have exactly 30 stitches around the edge. Cut the yarn, leave a short tail. Time for the yellow yarn. This is where the magic happens. Insert your hook into any stitch on the edge and pull up your yellow yarn. Chain 3. This gives our petals some height. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Repeat this 5 more times in the same stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yarn over and pull through all the loops at once, then chain 3 again. And slip stitch in the next stitch on the center. That's one petal done. Let's repeat again. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, and pull up a loop. Repeat this 5 more times. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yarn over and pull through all the loops at once. Then chain 3 again. In the next stitch, make a deep stitch on the center. It might feel a bit slow at once, but once you get the rhythm, it's super relaxing. Continue your work. I will see you on the 15th petal. On your 15th petal, finish with your last chain 3 and slip stitch in the very first stitch where you start. Fasten off, weave in your ends, and you are done. We are almost there. Let's add those final details to really bring this little guy to life. First, let's tidy up the petals. Give them a little pinch and a puff to make them extra 3D and bouncy. For those leftover yarn tails, simply weave them into the center and hide them inside the stuffing. No one will ever know they are there. Now, for the magic, the Jellycat style face. This is what gives it so much personality. I'm going to glue the eyes onto my favorite spots. I usually place them right in the middle of the orange core, spaced slightly apart for that innocent look. Next, take a small piece of back yarn and a needle. We are going to stitch on a teeny, happy smile just below the eyes. A simply V shape or a little curve works perfectly. Finally, attach your keychain wing to one of the petals, and just like that, your Jellycat-style sunflower is finished. Look how adorable it is. It's the perfect little companion for your bed or key. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cozy crochet projects. Happy stitching, and I will see you in the next video.